Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your home and outdoor needs. Today, we're diving into one of the top-rated options for pool safety, the VEVOR Pool Rail. If you're looking for the best swimming pool handrails for steps, this could be exactly what you need to ensure safety while entering or exiting your pool. The VEVOR Pool Rail is a 55 by 32-inch stainless steel handrail designed to withstand the elements and provide maximum support. Constructed with durable 304 stainless steel, it promises years of rust-free service. The handrail features a comfortable, 4-foot nylon grip cover, which provides excellent protection against both hot and cold weather. The non-slip material ensures your hands won't slip, even when wet, making it safer for all users, including children, seniors, and those with limited mobility. The grip cover is also detachable, allowing for easy cleaning or temporary installation. Installation is a breeze. This pool handrail comes with everything you need: a base plate, self-taping screws, anchors, and even a hammer drill for easy assembly. Whether you're installing it on concrete, brick, or wood floors, the stable base plate ensures it stands firm and can hold up to 250 pounds of weight, offering security and peace of mind. You'll be able to install this handrail in just a few minutes without any help from a professional. Not only is this handrail a practical choice for your pool, but it's also versatile. It works great for home pools, spas, water parks, and other recreational facilities. Its sleek silver finish, combined with the ergonomic curve, makes it both functional and stylish. Whether you're installing it at a private residence or a commercial facility, this handrail provides the support and safety you need. With its solid construction, ergonomic design, and easy installation process, the VEVOR Pool Rail is truly one of the best options for ensuring safety at your pool. Don't wait to make your pool safer and more accessible. Check it out today and see why it's one of the top-rated swimming pool handrails on the market. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe for more product breakdowns.